Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be discussing how to use Stremio app on iPhone. So let's get right into it. First of all, as I'm on Windows, so I'll be discussing on how to use it on iPhone, but I'll be guiding you to my Windows app. First, go on Stremio.com over here, go on Downloads, scroll down, and then download Stremio. If you want it for your macOS, download it from here, and if you want it for your iPhone, scroll down and download from here. Now, once you have installed Stremio on your iPhone, unlike Android, Stremio isn't available on App Store, but don't worry, you can download it from here. Now, simply open your Stremio app. As you can see, I'm opening it here right now. There are many add-ons over the Stremio, as Stremio works with add-ons. To pull content from different sources, go to the add-ons section and install ones like YouTube, public domain movies, torrent, and everything. Now, search for a movie or TV shows that you want to stream and you will start streaming it. Give it a try and let me know if it works for you because it is as easy as it sounds. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.